Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today's the day my nail test is coming. Like, look at the box. The box is right here. It's so big and heavy, but let's get into it. So right now I'm building. Yeah, handy woman me. But yeah, here's more progress of what I'm doing. And now it's all complete. I'm coming back Friday, so when I come back Friday, I'll do all of this. This is how it looks like so far. So welcome back to another video. As you can see, last time you saw me, I was here Sunday, but yeah, I'm back in the room now Friday. Whole week of school, but we're now in my room, and I was gonna start organizing things and stuff. So yeah, into it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and at least put my stuff in here just to do something. But yeah, I already put some of the stuff. Like I put my drill, sterilizer, my lamp, and my desk right there, and down here I got my bowls and like extra drill I have and some other stuff. I'm gonna add some more stuff. So I'm gonna take lots of these organizers and put them in these shelves. I don't like this. I don't understand what's going on with this. I don't understand, but it's okay. But yeah, it's a bit of a mess. I'm gonna clean this up. Like, okay, it's more clean. It's a little more stuff. Put this away, but it's more clean. You just gonna start loading things up into here. So let's get into it. You're not all set. Little one fit right here. Okay, so apparently almost so I decided to do is that it's a little tilted, but hey, it still works. Okay, that's the first door. I'm pretty upset because like I don't know what malfunction happened when I was building, but now in order for me to get to the second door, I have to lift it up like that. Consistent. So this is the next one. Let me just do everything I did on the other side. Oh! Okay. Third drum. I'm gonna put dolls in there. It's the third drum. The short lot. I need to take this glue out because glue needs to be more higher. First one. Ow. I'll put the glue right here. That's most definitely first floor material. So let's take some stuff out, guys, and I have extras. I don't know what I'm doing with them. I'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I don't know how that happened. So here is the results of me putting the little hangers on my wall. But now we're gonna start putting these gel polishes. They were so heavy on the wall. But yeah, like I'm super excited. I'm so happy I finally got my nail room and my nail desk because like I've been dreaming of this. I've been waiting so long. I'm supposed to be having this done like at the end of December, like the 25th through 30th, supposed to be all done then. But lots of things backtrack. I had to wait longer. I had to figure out a plan, and I finally got that. But as you can see here, I'm cleaning off the thing before I put it up there because I wanted to look all neat. I wanted to look all nice, you know. But yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little, we jumped straight into it, but please make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. As you can see, I'm so hyped. I'm so happy right now. I'm just dancing and doing the most. I don't know. I don't know what I was doing. Forgive me. But other than that, I'm putting this stuff up. Like, y'all, I was so happy, and I'm still happy. I got home today and I completed everything, but you see the results kind of in the middle to the end, but the final results are at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. Oh, God didn't see that. That never happened. But yeah, gonna make sure we shake that up real well, and they're gonna put it up there. But yeah, okay, so now we filled the drawer. This is our first drawer. Got all our nail prep and stuff we gonna need, like cuticle pushers and top coats and everything. Now if I go ahead and roll that in, the one thing I do like about this, that it rolls in super easily, but I do not like that it's not like that. And then here's my acrylic, and then this drawer has my nail tips and charms and glitters and everything. Yeah, all that good stuff. And then this, it's gonna have my pedicure stuff at the very bottom, but you'll see that a little later. Then I just have extra stuff in here. I'm gonna take my files out and put them in other thing, but I do need to cut my other files, you know, and then put them at the bottom. Put my files in here right now. So yeah, I added some buffers as well. So yeah, that's kind of it for the top. Here's my pedicure stuff. It has some extra stuff in it, but it has some of my pedicure stuff in there as well. And this, I got my like drill and everything, lamps, just like that, just glitter and extra stuff. I'm gonna put this down. I did order some vines, so we're gonna go ahead and unwrap those. Yeah, when I unwrapped them, they did not smell the best. I don't know why. I was gonna be like, oh, it's gonna smell like cherries, blossoms, but it did not. It smelled like, I don't know, it just did not smell like what I thought it was gonna smell like. But it's okay, because it's not affecting the smell at all. So, hey guys, I put some vines up, and now let's go for the final reveal. That's the final reveal, but mostly the final reveal. This is what it looks like so far. Put this on real quick. There we go. This is what it looks like so far, guys. I'm so extremely happy. We got a lot more things to do. Gonna move a couple of this stuff out. Put a mirror in, hang up a painting and stuff. Probably put some more vines up there, do it like that, something like that. But we're gonna do more. It's just the beginning. But yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy. I've been waiting for this for so long. I wanted it so much. This looks so cute. I love it so much. But yeah, that's basically all it for this video. But this is gonna be part 1 put together by no room. But other than that, y'all like this is my background. Okay, this is fine. This is on. But yeah, so this happened. That's my mom helped me. I really just made the desk by myself. My mom helped me a couple times. So yeah, I basically bought myself to my mom chicken. Basically, I kind of employed myself. Except for myself and my kids. I did myself that. I want myself. My cook time. But it's all a mixture. But from now on, everything I'm getting is just me. But I did order some more D&D, but I got like new now. So I'm probably going to watch a video of that. So make sure you guys stay tuned. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the notification bell so you get notified. And I'm almost 100 subscribers. I was gonna do a giveaway at 100, but I'm like, I'm gonna wait a little bit. Wait till I hit 150. When I hit 150, I'll do a giveaway. Y'all can be looking too big, basically. So make sure y'all tell y'all friends subscribe. I want to get that giveaway. Cause I'm gonna do a giveaway when I hit 150. So yeah, see you guys. Bye. So guys, it's the next day, and now I put some vines up there, some more vines over there, and this I put my thing in the corner, and this other thing in the corner. I put up a painting as well. There's another painting over there as well, and I cut on a light, and I'm super happy. But now for the little, well, there you go. Here's the full room. I'm gonna do a little room tour. We're just doing it for like the prettiness of vibes right now, but then we'll go into depth a little later. Okay, so first up, we have our little old storage unit, but now it's a little empty, and then that's the painting. And then we have our nail desk right here with the client, and where I'm gonna sit right there. And then we have like a little extra storage space, and then my other rack got a couple snacks over there for my models. Then we have all our gel polishes, some regular polish, and then more vines. And then this is where I be sitting. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Then this is my storage stuff. I have a lot of stuff in here, and I have a lot of stuff in the other stuff, but basically my nail prep and stuff at the top drawer. And then acrylics after I lift this up. We have my acrylics right here. And then we have the other stuff, charms, stuff like that. But yeah, we have pedicure stuff as well. But yeah, I'm super excited, y'all. I'm so happy. I'm ready for my client. I have a client tomorrow as well. But right now, get my wipes, because we're finna go ahead and wipe everything down. So let's go ahead and get to that. But yeah, I don't know. I was talking and I was literally muted, and I'm like, dang. But yeah, I'm really so excited. Like, I have so much stuff I need to get. I ordered some shelves. My shelves gonna be here like February something. But y'all can go ahead and watch me wipe and disinfect everything. But y'all just really cleaning up, you know. And I really plan on doing a lot of more stuff, because I'm gonna add a mirror in here. My grandma got me a mirror. Shout out to my grandma for letting me have this room, because she said I can have my room in there. But I'm really excited about the future. I'm ready for more clients and just so happy, you know. But I have a client tomorrow, aka Sunday. I might get some content for you guys in my new nail room. Hey, but yeah, I'm beginning a new lamp soon as well. But yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying this video. I didn't really show me parts of me building anything or putting things in more places, but it's okay. Ooh, my phone fell. But now I'm back and I got my little stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and set this out. I don't know why, but it's my second time third time almost dropping something. So like, yeah. But do y'all like my nails? Do y'all like it? If you want to see the process of how I did that, go to my latest video. And yeah, well, my other latest video. Just gonna show y'all. But y'all, I'm so excited. Like, Nail by Dace, I still can't believe she followed me back. I am in disbelief. I'm like, oh my god, she actually followed me back. Because like, I've been watching her videos and I just been like, oh, I love her videos. I'm looking like a big fan. So like, and then she did a live and she responded to me and I was like, oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. But the video is almost coming to an end. Thank you guys for watching. You guys for your support. Please check out yeah, I'm putting my outro in a way, so hold on. But that is all for this video. I want to thank y'all for all the support. It was to be over yesterday, but it's not. But now it's over. But now I just want to tell y'all, thank you guys for all the stuff. Make sure you follow my Instagram and TikTok right here. And then have a great what y'all, what was that? See, I should not try to voice over when I'm talking. It just didn't work out. But thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. Please like and subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Bye. I'm so late.